Chicks dig it.
Yeah, I know. Like I played football for a while too, and it's not work.
Yeah, just.
I was like the best time of my life, but also at the same time it really ruined me.
Oh, I had a blast, man. It was like you'd have 40 of your best mates that you play football with every weekend and train
Yeah,
two or three
absolutely.
nights a week, and it was
You go drink
fantastic.
afterwards.
Yep.
Mandatory.
How they work.
Gotta rehydrate.
Piss the wife off too.
Right.
Those roots aren't too bad right there. But there's some that were pretty.
Oh, the roots.
Yeah. And it looks like your line's getting pretty old. You can see how it's getting all aggregate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's just from the wear over the years.
It washes all away. So
There's that one root
this
right
guy
there.
right here, that is massive.
So do we have a distance? So that has got to be that
52
tree out
feet
the front,
and 8
right?
inches from here. Yeah.
So do we need to like record that? So well, I guess it's a mute point, right? Because I mean, what's the game plan?
I guess with the game plan would be dependent on. We found that root, and I think there was another one right at 50 feet right there.
That's pretty massive.
That's you can see that's a pretty good blockage right there.
Yeah. So let's just wait and keep on growing.
Fortunately, in terms of roots, it looked like it was just right in that 2 or 3 foot section.
Right.
And it looks like you have a pretty big offset because I had a hard time getting right
Yeah,
here.
I think looking on the sewer map, it does some weird kink somewhere.
So,
But
Oh wait, what did you mean by an offset? I didn't realize that.
like it turns or.
no, like
No,
it's
There's
off.
a connection.
The connection's going like this, so I
I
have to like
see.
yank my camera out through there because it's getting caught on that offset.
Does that cause leakage then into the?
Oh, actually, it's a pretty good thing for you that it's going the opposite direction
Oh,
because it's
right.
going down. But if it's the other way,
I see.
but
Then it
I mean,
I see.
right through here, if you back up, it's gonna be right there.
Right.
Because I mean, I know I can just, deal with that route as is because I've done it before, but
Yeah.
I'm looking for a more permanent fix.
Yeah, we do all sorts of stuff to fix that. We can line it. We can do some pipe bursting, or just dig it up and replace it. There's several options.
The dig up and replace sounds very expensive.
Yeah.
Because I imagine that means we're going on the street, right?
And then it was so weird coming out here. We're all underneath we're underneath water.
Yeah.
Which
15
you-
feet.
You have a belly.
Yeah, he's thinking little.
I mean,
Oh, so the pipe has just got water sitting in it.
yeah.
Is that what I'm saying?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's sagging down somewhere.
Which is so weird that when we were going out, it was all underwater. It was. Now
Oh.
it's kind of weird.
Did you just push through some of the crud that's flowing?
That's
through?
what kind of thought would happen. But it just kind of sits right there.